video. I'm Claudia.
And Anthony.
Welcome to Cooper's
101. Today is we'll be showing you how to make 3 easy meals at home. So let's get it.
The first one I'll be making is bomb grilled cheese. The first thing we'll need is butter, some cheese, bread, and a pan. Let your pan heat up. Spread butter on both of your breads. Carefully put your bread on the buttery side down. You can hear that sizzle. It should look like this. And now put the lid on it. And then it should start steaming up. Next, you put the bread with the buttery side up. And you're supposed to cover it up. Next, you turn it over. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Covered it again. Next, you take it out and put it on your plate. And enjoy.
Next, we're gonna make some homemade donuts. Next, you open up your biscuits. Next, you lay down your biscuits and make little holes in the middle. Next, you heat up your pan with olive oil. Next, you put in your donuts. And you let them bake. And then turn them around to let it bake for a little bit more. Next, you spread some powdered sugar on them. And guys, I'm gonna add some extra sugar because I love sugar. And enjoy.
Next, we're making some mini pizzas
With the same ingredient as the donuts. Next, you get a biscuit and squish it. Put it down and squeeze as hard as you can. Okay. As you can see, it is all smushed up.
Next, you spread some marinara sauce all around it.
Next, you spread some cheese. Next, you put them in the oven for 15 minutes. And the end result.
Alright guys, this is the end of our video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Mine was the grilled cheese. It was so cheesy and perfect for me.
Mine was the donuts, because you know guys, I add a lot of sugar on the donuts and I love sugar.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button to subscribe down below.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.